Hi everyone. So today we are here again for a live vlog. I'm Devasmita, founder of Folk Culture Clothing, and for today's episode we have a new collection to show you, and we have a special guest in today's episode. So let's see who's here. Hi. Yes.
I'm Naira, the founder of the Kids Collection from Folk Culture. Today we'll be sharing some pieces from the Kids Collection. Let's get started. First, this is the piece that I'm wearing right now. This is the first one.
So it's a beautiful silk velvet or silk velvet skirt top set with a brocade hoodie. Just look at the color combination and the shine of the fabric. बहुत ही flared skirt है and back पूरा jacket long jacket के साथ. And the most important part is winters में when we want our kids to be covered, full sleeves. अगर so there's a zero neck. So अगर आप अंदर warmer भी पहनाते हो, so it's very comfortable. कोई कुछ दिखता नहीं है. And the most beautiful part is कि सामने इसका hand embroidered patch है, which is just in the center and it completes the entire look.
Also, if your kids feel hot, you can also take off this jacket. There is also its half.
The material is sleeveless, so if you want to pair it for the ये जो time आ रहा है जब ठंड जा रही होती है, there's a season change वाला time, so you want to remove the jacket, you can.
And also, this is one of my personal favorites because BTS's color is purple, and there's also a song named after it. So
many of our small clients, little ones, are fan of BTS and unke gaane, so purple is one of the favorite colors, so that's how the idea comes in.
Now we're moving on to one of the next pieces. I like cat's eye and their colors are pastel. So let's move on to a pink pastel. This is a pink pastel dress and it has gold beading and details. Also there's a zip at the back. It's golden with a little diamond for extra details. The dupatta is also very detailed with these little sparkly bits.
So, most important part is already told you. Sparkles hair, diamonds hair, golden hair, all bling bling bling. So let me just tell you about the fabric. This is a brocade fabric, soft silk brocade fabric, and it's lace work in the front. And if you see, this is all hand embroidery on the top, and these are tassels on the front part. The dupatta is a net dupatta, which is very soft and easy to carry. बच्चा बिल्कुल भी परेशान नहीं होता ऐसा दुपट्टा. It's just on your neck, and you're just good to go. And yes, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, and also most kids don't like lacing, but when we do it, I always wear the pieces and try them on before they get manufactured. So I always make sure, because lacing also hurts my arms, so I always make sure it's comfy.
Yeah, so itchy नहीं होना चाहिए. चुभता है ना, यहाँ चुभ रहा बाद में नहीं. So why? So the lacing is all covered, and most important part, जो ये stitching है अंदर का, this is all covered from here, from the armhole, ये सब covered. So ये जो ends है ये बच्चे को बहुत चुभते हैं, and that is how kids direct information comes into picture with them. That is the most important thing. Yeah. So you like this piece, right? So the next one that I'm gonna show is
this light pink piece. It's actually very detailed. It has pink details, sparkly ones, and the bottom is also very very detailed with flowers, leaves, and pink pearls. The most important thing is bedazzlement and comfort.
Dazzlement and comfort. Comfort तो है, but सुंदर है ना, bling and वो भी होना चाहिए.
And I made this dupatta specially because of the details. These flowers, the sparkles, they're super pretty, and you can just wear it like this. It looks like a necklace and on the go.
So have you just got it? कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था नायरा को इस बार कि मुझे ना just दुपट्टा ऐसे ही नहीं लेना. I just wanted something on my neck to put it like a necklace and go. So here it comes, a styled dupatta as per Naira's choice.
And this piece is very comfortable also. It has no lacing, but still always comfort matters. It's really soft, really good fabric.
Inside.
Yeah.
Again, all the seam and all the stitches are covered, so अंदर से कोई कपड़ा चुभता नहीं. Right? So the next one that we're gonna show you is
This is another pink piece. This is more on the dark side, a little purplish. It's really pretty. Always comfort and sparkles matter. This is really comfortable, and mostly these parts hurt, but here it's always comfort matters. And now we are going to move on. The back is really bedazzled, so is the front of here. There's a zip, golden zip, of course, with little diamond here again.
Again, diamond is very important. So over here we'll show you one more detailing to specify. The zip है, this is full zipper. तो बच्चे को जो पहनने में दिक्कत होती है कि एक हाथ घुस रहा है, दूसरा हाथ नहीं घुस रहा है, ये पूरा zipper है, right? तो आप आराम से you can put it like a jacket and वो you can just settle down. And of course the lacing and everything comes in the picture. Floral sequence के साथ बहुत प्यारा है.
Also this piece very comfortable, cotton on the inside, also keeps the kids warm. Very nice.
Very nice. And what are the sizes do we make, Naira?
We make from 1 to teens.
Yeah, 1 to teens. So आपको ready-made अगर if you are stepping into a store which is in DT Mega Mall Gurgaon, so आपको ready sizes 1 year to 12 years मिलते हैं. 11 to 12 is the last size. However, we do customize the 15 sizes as well. So one of the major problems that we face in the market is कि हमको teens के लिए कपड़े नहीं मिलते हैं, या तो adults का small size मिलता है, which is उसका look ही बहुत adult type होता है. So we have extended our kids collection. Only those specific collection जो कि teens को भी अच्छा लगे, right? So all those collection we have added to our new section as well. And there's one last piece that we will add in today's video is this one. So this is
mommy, I'll explain this one. It's my favorite.
Okay.
So this is a velvet piece. It has diamonds, pearls, and the zipper silver with a little here's the zip. Very easy to zip up and down. The velvet piece, it's wine colored. There's also details here on the skirt like this. From the inside also really comfortable. Yeah.
So again, this is the hand embroidery piece. If an arrow कुछ with pearls and beads चाहिए था, and therefore we get this Indo-Western kind of piece. This is skirts. It's a slight fish cut में है. Fish cut style में इसका skirt आता है. And this is the top. When you wear it comes like this. This is how you wear it. And this is on the neckline. Again, full zipper के साथ ये पहनने में बिल्कुल दिक्कत ना हो.
Also, bedazzlements on the back.
Bedazzlements should not be missed. And cotton lining, of course. So for all these pieces, where people can come, Naira?
You can visit Instagram Folk Culture. You can also find our store on Google, and or you can visit our mall in Gurgaon, DT Mega Mall, first floor.
Right?
Yeah.
So we'll meet you again soon in the next live vlog. Stay tuned and
goodbye.
Bye-bye. And yes, not to forget, all these products, you can view them on our website as well very quickly, www.folkcultureclothing.com. We have amazing offers and discounts going on right now. Do shop now fast.
And we also have a special guest coming next time.
Oh, yeah?
Stay tuned to find out.
Okay, bye-bye.